Hey guys, what's up? I'm Tracy. In case you're new here, welcome. I do invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I would really appreciate it if you just hit that subscribe button down below, and also right next to it is that little bell. Turn on post notifications so that you never miss a single video. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. Today's video is so exciting for me because I received a package from Wetnwild. The card says, "Hi Wild One, we hope you enjoy these goodies and can't wait to see what wild looks you create. Kisses, Wetnwild." I do have a lot of friends watching right now that probably receive PR on a daily, and this is a package that just means a lot to me because it's from a brand that I have used since I was very, very young. So I just feel really appreciative that they reached out to me and sent this over. Thank you so much, Wetnwild, and thank you guys, because if it wasn't for your guys' support and you guys being here, then this wouldn't be possible. So I really appreciate your time because you did click on this video today. So without further ado, I don't want to bore you guys because I don't want to make it too long. Let's just go ahead and dive into this box.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
And okay, I cheated a little bit. I did open this here. And this is the eyeshadow palette that I'm currently using. I think this is such a cool little palette because it tells you where each goes. So if you're new to applying eyeshadows, this is definitely a great guide. And this is what I started to use in high school to really guide me through applying makeup. I received both of these palettes here as well. Haven't opened these or swatched these. I definitely am going to be creating a lot of looks for you guys with this entire package because there's so much going on in here. Just FYI, Wetnwild is a cruelty-free brand. I know that that's important to a lot of people. These here are the next palettes that I received in this package. These are so pretty. I think this palette here grabs my attention the most, but we'll see. Alright, so then I have two other mini palettes, and this is what they look like. I don't know, this one here actually might be a little too light to create a look, but we'll see. I'm gonna really enjoy these later. Okay. Here I have two highlighters. This one is called Unicorn Glow. It looks like that. I've never tried this one before. And then currently I'm wearing this one here. This one is called Bronze Over. And this is what it looks like. Not too bad. These here are glass, so I'm kind of scared of them. I'm scared to drop them. It says this is a liquid highlighter. So this here is the Mega Glow Hello Halo, and this is in the color Holographic. I guess they're liquid highlighters, I don't know. I've never tried liquid highlighters. This next color is called Rosy and Ready. And then we have Halo Gorgeous. And this is a close-up of Halo Gorgeous. The next color that we have here is called Halo Goodbye. This looks like a champagne color. And this is a close-up of that one. This one here is called Goddess Glow. And this is a gold one. I've never tried liquid highlighter, so I'm very intrigued by this, so yeah. I also received this Natural Finish setting spray, and it claims to be all day wear. We'll see about that. For the best part, I received the Liquid Catsuit Metallic Lipstick, and this is in the color, what is it? This is in the color Right on My Copper, and it's the one that is currently on my lips. This is such a pretty color. I have so many Wetnwild lipsticks because of my coworker. She wears them all the time and she got me so hooked on them. They're so inexpensive. They are such a comfortable long wearing liquid lipstick. I highly suggest you try at least one, and then you're just gonna be buying the whole freaking store. This next this next one is called Once in a Bronze Moon. And this is a close-up of what this one is like. I'm going to be showing you guys the metallics first, and this is the other one called Life's No Picnic, and it looks like that. This one is called Bali in Love. This is such a pretty color for summer. Can't wait to use this one. Alright, and now moving on to mattes, I received Behind the Bleachers. I'm just going to be doing a bunch of lip swatches for you guys, so make sure you subscribe. This next one is called Caramel Cake, and it's so pretty. I don't have this one yet. It's like a really pretty brown. This next one is called Lavender Crown, and it's definitely the different one from the rest of them. But you guys know I create a lot of crazy makeup looks or just colorful looks, so this is definitely something I would be using. And that's it for the liquid lipsticks. And then next I have some lip glosses. This one here is called Strawberry Ice. Next we have Cotton Candy. This is a close-up of Cotton Candy. This is another really pretty color for summer, and it's called Sinless. Alright, and then on my eyes I'm currently wearing this one. It's called, what color is this? What color? This one is called Groupie. I've tried these before. They don't apply completely all the way. Like, they're not packed glitters. They're just kind of just to add that pop to your eyes, kind of like what I have right now. And I believe these are like $1 from the last time I purchased them. This is the glitter called Groupie. The next glitter that I have here is called Brass. Then here we have the color Binge, and this is a purple glitter. Then we have a single eyeshadow, and this is in the color Brulee. It's like a khaki color. I know it looks kind of white on camera, but it's khaki. Then I received some of their brushes. I'm so happy about these because I tried to buy them when they first launched and they were completely sold out. These are cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. This is their crease brush here. The next brush that I received is the small stipple brush. I'm going to take it out of the package and I'm going to show you what it looks like. The next brush that I received is called a flat top brush, and this is definitely for foundation. And this brush looks like this. Damn, I'm going to get these dirty. Ooh, I've been wanting one of these. This is a concealer brush. I don't have one of these, so pretty stoked. It's a flat brush like this here, and it makes it super easy to just get in here and start applying your concealer. So that's it for the brushes. Moving on, I received 2 liquid liners, and this one is called Voltage Blue. I can see myself doing a lot with this one. The next one is called Electric Purple. This is a smudge-proof liquid liner. It stays put, dries fast. Ooh. Oh wait, we have another one. This one is in dark brown. Never tried a brown eyeliner, but we gonna try. This one here is called the Mega Length Mascara, and it's in the color Very Black. Then we have the Mega Volume Mascara. Is that the same thing? Oh no, this one's Mega Length and this is Mega Volume. Okay, so we have the Mega Volume Mascara, and this is in the color Very Black as well. Natural looking enhanced effect. Volume building formula. Cool. Then here we have the waterproof mascara, in case he wants to take you swimming on the first date. And this is in Amped Black, up to 10 times more volume. 100% waterproof. Then these are the last products in the box, and they're both for the eyebrows. This is the retractable brow pencil in the shade Taupe. So I opened it, and let's just take a look at it. Okay, so it comes out squared. Pretty cool. And on the other side, we just have here a spoolie. Definitely gonna be using that color taupe with my eyebrows. And then this one is in the color ash brown. Ooh, I can see myself using this too. Oh, it's the same thing. So it looks like this, it's just in ash brown. And that's it. I am super happy about this package. I know I said that already and I'm being annoying right now. With the things that I have been getting sent over, I am putting things aside to do a giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned because I see that in the near future. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is in no shape or form bragging about what I received. This is just showing you what's out there, and this is such an affordable brand, so it's something that I can definitely recommend to you guys if I do like the product. So I'm going to be posting videos mostly on my Instagram because if I go through this box, I'm going to be posting like all the time about Wet n Wild, and I kind of want to do like a variety of videos. Be sure that you do subscribe to my channel, follow me on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. And you can follow me on Snapchat too. All those links are going to be down in the description box, so make sure that you do check that out. If you did enjoy this unpacking PR, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. That way I continue to make this content for you guys. I will see you guys in my next video.